She was a hero, Marian. She saved Mrs. Chico.
Mga kabravo, meron ulit kaming ibabalita sa inyo. Pero bago iyan ay baka gusto po ninyong subukan ang pinopromote po namin ngayon na herbal coffee. Ito po iyan, ang Healthy Blend 15-in-1 Coffee. Ito ay isa sa pinakamasarap at pinakamasustansyang kape sa kasalukuyan. Ito ay naglalaman ng 15 masustansyang sangkap para sa mas malusog na lifestyle. Kaya mga kabravo, tikman na ninyo ang Healthy Blend 15-in-1 Herbal Coffee para tuloy-tuloy ang ating balitaan.
I'm expressing the entire feeling of the Israeli population. The Israeli nation is grateful to Marianne and expressing heartfelt condolences. When did you meet Marianne?
Marianne in 2021.
Tell me about Marianne.
Marianne is very loving.
We all know the incredible work of the Filipino community in Israel. She was a hero, Marianne. She saved Mrs. Chico.
Marianne being the first casualty in this war. It pains us, but when you ask the Filipino community, many still choose to remain because they see themselves as a partner, as a family member of their employers.
Absolutely. It's amazing. We know it.
Yes.
Thank you to you, Bernie, and to the family for what she has done. And we respect it tremendously. We're here in a kindergarten which was bombarded by Iranian missiles here in Ramleh. It's a Jewish Arab city with incredible historical sites, and that shows exactly what the Iranians are trying to do. They're trying to hit at civilian population all over the country. I sincerely hope that the Iranian population will rise up in a given moment and bring change. Right now, absolutely, this war is bringing a major change, and I hope the weakened Iranian regime will be removed, hopefully in the near future.
Yan ang balita natin para sa mga oras na ito at ito'y inhatid sa atin ng Healthy Blend 15-in-1 Coffee. Mabibili sa mga piling drugstores at dealers nationwide. Mabibili rin sa mga online shopping app.